This one's a good one. Again, we have to use BEDMAS. So if you recall, with BEDMAS, we're going to do one step at a time. We're going to do brackets, anything inside the brackets first. Then we will do exponents. We've got our division and multiplication. Then we've got addition and subtraction. And this question, we are going to be starting with what's inside the brackets. This is what we're starting with. Everything else, proper mathematical form, you just copy out. 2/3, -1/2 squared, times. This, when you take a look, what we're doing is we have 3/4. We're going to simplify this double sign, and this double sign here turns into a plus sign, plus 1/4, divided by -2/3. So I'm still working on what's inside the bracket here. Again, proper mathematical form means that you have to copy everything down, what you're not doing. 3/4 plus 1/4 gives me 4/4, and 4/4 is just equal to 1. So this all is just equal to 1, divided by -2/3. Next step is exponents. This is the next step that I'm going to be working on. And what that means is I'm going to write down -1/2 twice. I don't have to put down the times 1. It's not necessary. Now we're going to do this multiplication here, which is the exponent. 2/3 plus negative times negative is a positive. And 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Divided by -2/3. Next step is division. This is what we are doing next. Division. We have 2/3 plus 1/4. Change the division to be a multiplication. Take the reciprocal. Leave the negative in the numerator. So you get -3/2. Now we've got this multiplication question here that we have to do. This multiplication is what I'm focusing on next. Plus -3/8. I can simplify this double sign so that I end up having 2/3 plus 3/8. To add fractions, we need to have a common denominator. And the common denominator in this case is going to be a common multiple. We are going to use the number 24. So I'm going to take this 3, multiply by 8. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. Take this 8, multiply by 3. What I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. 8 times 2 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. And look, I made a mistake. Let's make that correction right here. Yeah, that correction. That is not supposed to be a plus sign. That is supposed to be a minus sign. That's right. That's a minus sign. Minus. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7/24. This is what our final answer is. And we are finished.
That was easy.